Step inside the Sportage, and you'll be greeted by an interior that's both stylish and practical. The designers have really outdone themselves, creating a space that feels both luxurious and functional. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for all the family and their luggage. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or just running errands around town, you'll appreciate the ample space and thoughtful storage solutions. The seats are supportive and comfy, even on those long drives. They are designed to reduce fatigue so you can arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. The high-quality materials used in the seats add an extra touch of elegance and comfort, but it's the technology that really impresses. The Sportage is packed with features that make every journey more enjoyable and convenient. The Sportage is loaded with all the latest gadgets, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a host of other high-tech features that keep you connected and entertained on the go, and a premium sound system. The audio experience is top-notch, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes with crystal-clear sound quality. Whether you're a fan of classical music or the latest pop hits, the sound system will not disappoint. You've got your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, all the mod cons. These features make it easy to integrate your smartphone with the car's system, giving you access to your apps, navigation and more, all at your fingertips. And for those who like to feel the wind in their hair, there's an optional panoramic sunroof that'll let you soak up the sunshine. Imagine cruising down the highway with the sunroof open, the wind in your hair, and the open road ahead. It's the perfect way to enjoy a beautiful day. The Sportage also comes with advanced voice command features, allowing you to control various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. This makes driving safer and more convenient, as you can adjust settings, make calls, and navigate without distraction. Safety is another area where the Sportage excels. It includes a range of advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to help prevent accidents and keep you and your passengers safe. And let's not forget about convenience. The Sportage offers wireless charging for your devices, multiple USB ports, and plenty of other features designed to make your life easier. No more fumbling with cords or worrying about your phone running out of battery on long trips. The dual-zone climate control ensures that everyone in the car can stay comfortable, no matter the weather outside. You can set different temperatures for the driver and passenger so everyone can enjoy the ride in their own way. With its state-of-the-art navigation system, you'll never have to worry about getting lost. The GPS is accurate and easy to use, guiding you to your destination with turn-by-turn directions and real-time traffic updates. All these features come together to make the Sportage not just a car, but a true home away from home. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or just running errands, the Sportage offers a driving experience that's both enjoyable and stress-free.